Welcome to the Complex Sandwich Series. Today we're going to make a Godfather New School. We're going to make chicken cutlets from scratch, so we're going to get our flour dredge ready first. Take about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and mix in some salt and pepper. We're going to go ahead and spread that onto a plate for our first station. Next we'll make an egg wash. Once those eggs are nice and pale, we're going to pour it onto a plate for our second station. Then we're going to pour our breadcrumbs onto a third plate for our third station. Today I'm using panko breadcrumbs, but any breadcrumbs will do. Then we'll get our thinly sliced chicken breasts and begin the process. First, completely coat the breast in flour, then dip it into the egg wash. I'm trying my hardest to keep my right hand dry to ease the process. Then we're going to dip the egg washed chicken breast into the panko breadcrumbs and coat it on all sides. And then repeat that process for as many chicken breasts as you have. Once all the chicken breasts are coated in breadcrumbs, they are ready for frying. But before we do that, always make sure to thoroughly clean your workspace when working with chicken. Now we're ready to fry. Before I drop these in the pan, I'm gonna have to do a music change. We're gonna coat the bottom of the pan with about a finger's width height worth of olive oil. We can go ahead and put our chicken cutlets into the pans. It takes about 4 minutes per side to fully cook through the chicken cutlets. To be safe though, cook them until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. These ones are a little overdone. Once all the chicken cutlets are cooked, it's time to build the sandwich. We'll start with our bread. Today I'm using a sourdough baguette. Place the chicken cutlets in as the base of the sandwich. Then add the prosciutto di Parma, one for me, just to make sure it's fresh. Then we'll add the mozzarella, also known as fresh mozz in northern New Jersey, some salt, pepper, olive oil, and white wine vinegar. Then for the toppings, we'll start with shredded iceberg lettuce, tomato, red onion, and basil, and sprinkle some oregano on there just to top it off. Now we're going to try to close this behemoth of a sandwich. It took me more than 2 tries to get this closed. We'll take a look at that cross section. Ooh, very complex. This is my current favorite sandwich, but the rankings are usually always changing. But right now, this is number 1. Hope you enjoyed the making of this complex sandwich. Please like and subscribe for more sandwich videos. That's all we do here.